Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these chocolate muffins. First, start by adding 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of cocoa powder. Let it through a sieve to have a smooth texture. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil and half a cup of milk. Once that's mixed well, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of warm water. Mix it well and add a pinch of salt. Mix in the salt and leave it to sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, pour your dough into your cups. Bake it for 30 minutes in 150 degrees Celsius. Thank you all for watching. You can find the ingredient list and measurements down in the description box. If you liked this video, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications. See you all next time.